Welcome to another walk around video. Today we're looking at a 2018 Subaru Forester Limited in black. It seats 5 and sits on 18-inch rims. Equipped with a 2.5 liter engine producing 170 horsepower, the standard Subaru symmetrical full-time all-wheel drive, and 8.7 inches of ground clearance. Inside the door we have our automatic window and mirror controls, as well as memory seating. This vehicle is equipped with brown leather interior, sunroof, and a Harman Kardon sound system. On the left side of the steering wheel, we have Bluetooth and radio controls. On the right are the cruise control features and heated wheel. This Forester comes with a 7-inch infotainment system, sporting a Harman Kardon 8-speaker audio system with navigation. In the back, we have heated rear seats and folding 60-40 split for more cargo.